Okay. And when a parent is feeling frustrated or helpless during a sleepless night, what's a mindset shift that you'd recommend?
So, if it's a parent that is not thinking about sleep training and just in general dealing with a sleepless night, I would remind them that this is a temporary phase. Instead of thinking, why won't they sleep, which is a very common thing to think, try shifting to maybe my child needs me right now, right? It doesn't erase the exhaustion, but it does reframe the moment with more compassion, because if you're thinking of it like that, then usually it makes it a little bit more easier for the parent to be in it in that moment. Now, if it is a parent that is feeling frustrated because of sleepless night and they're in the sleep training process, it's a little bit different because it's we're gonna reframe the mindset. And if it's a parent who is having a tough time like during sleep training, then again I would say that it is temporary. It's a learning phase. The child is learning a new skill. And as with anything, things take time. So just try to be very patient. Think of the long term and why you're doing this, and try to stay calm, patient, persistent throughout the process, and then you will start to see results.
All right. And just more on the entrepreneurial end now, are there any tools, apps, or like little hacks that you personally use just to stay consistent with your schedule and your workflow?
Honestly, I'm pretty basic. I keep it simple. My calendar is my lifeline. So for scheduling appointments and meetings, everything like that, everything is really helpful with my calendar. And then I just use regular note app for brain dumps or batching tasks, so I don't waste energy essentially switching between too many things. I find that helps. But yeah, I like to keep it simple and I don't make it too complicated.
Yeah, honestly, I noticed the simple stuff are kind of underrated.
Right? I know, because some people
Mhm.
are like, I have this app and it does this, and then I have this tracker and it does that. I'm like, okay, this is too much for me. Like, I don't have all this time to go over all these different things. I need it to be super simple and easy and quick.
Yeah, same here. And do you have like a go-to micro routine for when you're exhausted, but you still need to get work done?
Yeah, this is pretty much me every single day. So I will, depending on what time it is, I'll either grab, coffee or water. And I try to set like 30-minute timers, and I pick the most important thing that I need to do within those 30 minutes. So I try to just focus for those 30 minutes, like or 20 to 30 minutes, so that it actually makes it manageable. And I do this a lot, usually at nighttime, because I can pretty much during the daytime, I work on my full-time job, and then after my kids are asleep is when I do my sleep plans and things like that. So kind of just block off like, okay, I have 30 minutes. In the next 30 minutes, I'm going to create this sleep plan or do something like that. So I find that helps.